Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I start blog project. In this, it is a beginner project. By watching this project, you can learn how to create a project in Django, how to create a app, how can we migrate, how can we do migration. In this project, I will use MySQL. MySQL is one of the best database in all over the world. In front end, I use Bootstrap. Here I create only one folder, blog project. Into this folder, first I create a app. I start the project. First I create a project. To creating the project, we need to write. Sorry. First we need to first we need to create the environment. Python dash m env. It takes some time. Virtual environment created. Now we need to activate the this environment. To activating this environment, we need to write. Now we need to install Django. You see successfully Django install complete, and now I need to create a project. Django admin project log application. Project is created. Now I need to enter the blog application folder. PD. Now I need to create an app into this blog application folder. To creating the app, I need to write. Here, here you see our project is created. Our app also created. Now I need to set up this app. I need to set up the uh, this project. First I write import OS. After that, I need to into this install app. I need to write main. After that, I run the project. You see, project is running successfully. Project is running successfully. Now I need to run the migration. Python manage.py make migration. After successfully run the migration, I need to create the super user. To creating the super user, I need to write super user created successfully. Again, run the server. Admin. Okay, that's all for today. Please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.